Hi! Welcome back to Tita Lily's Kitchen. For today's video, I will prepare another special and delicious dish, sweet and sour tilapia. Before we start, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Now, let's start cooking. Umpisahan natin dito sa 2 medium-sized fresh fish tilapia. Lalagyan natin ng asin and just let it sit for at least 5 minutes before frying. Luto na itong ating tilapia, so itatabi muna natin ito and let's start making the sauce. For the sauce, I'm going to mix the following ingredients: pineapple juice, water, vinegar, ketchup, and I'm using tomato ketchup. Soy sauce, a teaspoon of salt, ground black pepper, brown sugar, at maglalagay ako ng plum sauce. Gumagamit ako nito to all of my sweet and sour dish. This has sweet and fruity taste that enhance the sweetness of the sauce. Optional ito, so okay naman din kung wala. Ngayon ay pakukuluan lang natin ito. And once the liquid is boiling, I will add the slurry. Unti-unti ko lang itong ilalagay hanggang sa ma-achieve natin ang desired thickness ng sauce. Okay na ito, so isa-set aside muna natin and we'll prepare the rest of the ingredients. Ngayon, balik tayo dito sa ating pan. Konting oil and igigisa lang natin ang ginger. Sunod na natin ang garlic and onion. Ilalagay ko na rin ang carrot, red and green bell pepper, and pineapple tidbits. Stir fry for at least 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, pwede nang ilagay ang ating ready mix sweet and sour sauce. A bit of seasoning, ground black pepper, sweet and sour sauce is ready, kaya hindi ko na ito patatagalin. Pwede na itong ilagay sa tilapia. And if you want to try this cooking, you can check the measurements and ingredients in the box down below. This is it, my version of delicious, easy to make, sweet and sour tilapia. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching and see you again on my next cooking vlog.